In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Blogger templates and upload them to Blogger. Whether you're new to Blogger or just looking to give your blog a fresh look, this is a straightforward process that will guide you every step of the way. So, grab your laptop and let's dive right in. First, start by visiting a trusted Blogger template website. There are many out there, each offering unique designs to cater to different styles and preferences. Spend some time browsing through the available templates, and consider what would best suit the theme and layout of your blog. This is your space on the internet, so make sure it reflects your personal style. Once you've found a template that catches your eye, you'll want to click on the download button. This will save the template file directly to your computer. It's important to note that most Blogger templates are downloaded as a zip file. These are compressed folders that contain multiple files, but don't worry, we'll walk through the process of handling them next. Now, if that file you just downloaded is compressed, you'll need to extract it. Locate the zip file on your computer. It should be in your Downloads folder unless you've directed your files elsewhere. Simply right-click the file and select Extract All if you're using Windows. If you're using another operating system, the steps might vary slightly, so use your preferred extraction tool. Once extracted, open the newly created folder. Inside, look for a file with an XML extension, such as template, XML, or mybloggertheme.xml. This is the key file you'll be uploading to Blogger in just a moment. Before we go ahead and upload this new template, it's crucial to back up your current Blogger theme. This ensures that you have a safety net to fall back on if anything goes wrong, or if you simply decide you want to revert to your original design. To do this, sign into Blogger using your account credentials. Once you're in, select your blog from the list. Navigate to the theme section, which you can find on the left-hand sidebar. There, look for a small arrow or drop-down menu next to the Customize button and click on it. Select the backup option and save your current theme to your computer. This will give you peace of mind, knowing you can restore your original theme if needed. With your backup safely stored, stay on the theme page. Once again, click the drop-down menu next to Customize, but this time select Restore or Upload. This option may vary slightly depending on your interface updates. Click on the Upload button and navigate to the extracted .xml template file we located earlier. Select it and wait patiently while Blogger uploads and applies the new template to your blog. And there you have it. Your blog should now be sporting a fresh, new look with the template you've chosen and uploaded. Thank you for joining me today, and happy blogging.